Imagine this. You come home to a burst pipe, a soaked living room, that sinking "what now" feeling. That's the exact moment homeowners insurance goes from nice to have to lifesaver. Here's the simple version. Homeowners insurance protects two big things: your place and your wallet. Coverage bucket 1, your property. Dwelling, walls, roof, built-ins. If a covered peril hits, fire, wind, burst pipes, you're covered up to your limit. Other structures, fences, sheds, detached garage, personal property, furniture, clothes, electronics. Pro tip: choose replacement cost, not actual cash value. Loss of use. If your place is unlivable, it helps pay for a hotel or rental while repairs happen. Coverage bucket 2, your liability. If someone gets hurt on your property, or you accidentally damage someone else's stuff, liability can cover legal fees and payouts. It's underrated and usually cheap to increase. Now, the fine print, without the headache. Deductible, the amount you pay before insurance kicks in. Higher deductible equals lower premium, but make sure you can afford it in cash. Limits, set them to the cost to rebuild your home, not its market price. Exclusions, floods, earthquakes, those need separate policies. Consider riders for sewer backup, jewelry, collectibles. How to save without getting burned. Bundle home and bundle auto. Add security, monitored alarms, leak sensors, smart smoke detectors. Maintain good credit and avoid tiny claims that can raise rates. How to buy smart. Inventory your stuff with photos. Inventory with a quick video. Store it in the cloud. Get 3 quotes with identical coverage. Ask for replacement cost on both dwelling and contents if available. Check claim service reputation. Speed matters when you're knee-deep in water. When things go wrong, start the claim fast, document everything, and keep receipts. At the end of the day, homeowners insurance is a simple trade, a predictable payment now for protection from a financial disaster later. That's how you go from risk to relief. And that peace of mind, that's the real value.